Hello, Manhattan families and students. My name is Mrs. Brewe. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Wilson Creek. I hope you are enjoying your October and you're doing lots of reading for our readathon. I have a Halloween story for you about a skeleton who probably has a problem like you might have had before, and this skeleton has hiccups. So I hope you're already thinking, when I've had hiccups, how have I tried to get rid of them? Yeah, yep. You may have tried to drink water. Yep. Someone might have told you to hold your breath. Well, let's see what this skeleton does in our story called Skeleton Hiccups. It's written by Marjorie Coulier. It's illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton Hiccups. Here's our title page. Skeleton woke up. Yep, yep, yep. Had the hiccups. Yep, yep, yep. Took a shower. Yep, yep, yep. Look at that slippery soap. Brushed his teeth. Yep, yep, yep. Polished his bones. Yep, yep, yep. Carved a pumpkin. Yep, yep, yep. Raked some leaves. Yep, yep, yep. Played with ghost. Yep, yep, yep. Ghost told skeleton. Yep, yep, yep. Hold your breath. Yep, yep, yep. Didn't work. Eat some sugar. Yep, yep, yep. Didn't work. Press your fingers. Yep, yep, yep. On your eyeballs. Yep, yep, yep. Poor skeleton. Drink some water. Yep, yep, yep. Upside down. Yep, yep, yep. Ghost made a face. Yep, yep, yep. Said boo to skeleton. Yep, yep, yep. But nothing worked. Yep, yep, yep. Then Ghost got smart. Yep, yep, yep. Found a mirror. Yep, yep, yep. Held it up. Yep, yep, yep. Skeleton screamed. Yep, yep, yep. The hiccups left. Yep, yep. They jumped away. Yep, yep, yep. Hooray! How silly skeleton scared himself, and that made his hiccups go away. I hope you are enjoying reading. Keep reading. Reading makes you a better reader. See you next time, Wilson Creek and Anna McDonald and Manhattan Intermediate School. And if you're watching this, Manhattan Junior High.